powered by Plason. Today's handy heroes come from Mica, Lenasia.
Welcome to Lenasia, Mica. This store was established in 2008. We started as a DIY store. Since then we've gone bigger, we've built up. We're doing paints, all your electrical, your plumbing, ceilings, boards. That's where we've grown to. And paint has become one of our biggest sellers. What makes us proud is, one, our service is good, fantastic. Any problems, we're there to solve it.
The reason I'm driving plus minus 15 kilos from where my company is situated, because it's the friendly service I'm getting from Mica.
Well, Plason is a brand that's been in South Africa for over a century. The color variety is excellent. The paint in general is excellent. Quality of paint, very excellent. Regarding customers, they do come, and Plason is on their mind. And with that being in mind, Plason is a top brand for us.
My experience with Plason since I started working in a hardware shop like 15 years ago has been excellent. They keep the quality best paint. Like my favorite paint is a double velvet, the interior paint. It's a very, very smooth, washable, 10 times scrubbable paint. My DIY tip is, people they think painting is like taking a roller and the paint, put it on the wall. No, it's not like that. You'll have to prepare your wall. You will buy the sandpaper, polyfiller, brushes, rollers, and the plastic to put it on the floor, the drop sheet, the masking tapes. My DIY motto is, any paint is a good paint with the preparations. The preparation is a key for any paint to be successful in any surface. Happy painting, South Africa.
Handy heroes powered by Plason. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Mica, strong enough to endure anything.